1 2 1 2. It's your man Black D, Blackout Customs, right back at it. About to just do a quick restoration. I picked these up at Platos. Yeah, I was about to say thrift store, but it wasn't a thrift store. It was Platos. I picked these up at Platos for about $40. We're gonna restore them, man. It's the True Blue 3s. Let me pan down a little bit. True Blues in very good condition. A little cracking on the midsole, but we're gonna repaint all that and clean them up, change these dirty laces, change the insoles, and you know, a little bit of heel drag, but not much, you know. But yeah, we're gonna get into it, clean these up. I know I haven't shot a video in about 4 to 5 months, but been working. So let's get into it. Your man Black D, Blackout Customs, True Blue 3s. Okay, my peoples, we are back. Your man Black D, Blackout Customs. We are finished deep cleaning these 3s. Up here in the top, I'm gonna have the pictures flowing on how they used to look when I first got them. But yeah, man, got them good. Like I said, we just deep cleaned them. We're not actually finished the restoration yet, because there's still got there's a couple of cracks in the midsoles and everything, so we're gonna repaint that, especially on this side. We're gonna repaint that white and that blue, and then it'll be practically done. Put some new laces in there, see all the cracks. So we're gonna repaint all that and bring them back to life with that night air on the booty. Man, I got these for a steal. I actually got these from Plato's Closet for $40. Did a nice deep clean to them, and yeah, man, they looking good. The bottoms aren't that bad, as you can see. It's a little heel drag right there, but like when I lay them down, you don't notice it. So they weren't that bad, as you can see. Look at the sides. So yeah, man, let's get into it. We're about to paint these midsoles. Blackout Customs, your man Black D. Okay, here we go, man. We right back in the lab. The cleaning process is done on these 3s. Came out pretty good, man. I'm actually thinking about keeping these in the collection. Let me know what you think. But anyway, we already taped this one up. We're about to get over here. About to airbrush the midsoles. So that's why that shoe is taped off. We already got the paint mixed. We will be touching up the elephant print right here in the back. So we mix that paint as well. But we'll be doing that after we spray the midsoles. So most of this will be shot in time lapse. If you hear anything in the back, that's my wife and the kids. You know, it's Father's Day, so I get to do a couple of customs today. And let's get into it. It's your man Black D, Blackout Customs. here we go. We all done. Painted the midsoles. Cleaned this shoe from inside out. It actually took me about 2 days to clean them. Air Jordan Sports Blue. With that Nike Air on the back. But yeah, man, I bought these at Plato's Closet for $40, man. So let me know what y'all think, man. We cleaned them up. Should I keep them in the collection? Or should I put them up for the flip? Remember, I picked these up for $40, man. Like I said, the bottoms aren't that bad. Let me flip them off for you. I'll do a little bit more cleaning on the bottom. But other than that, they aren't bad. So let me know what y'all think, man. It's Jordan 3 Sports Blue. Did I get a steal? And should I keep them? Or should I put them up for the flip, man? Let me know, man. Hit me in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. It's your man Black D. Blackout Customs. And like, subscribe, follow, you know, all the good stuff. Leave a comment, and I'll get to the next one. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.